चलिए my dear brilliant diamonds, let us solve the fourth bit of first problem, and these are the equations given in the problem. Now since these are ratios, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equals to minus 1, we are going to take LCM and convert the given equations as shown here. So first equation we have converted like 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. How? By taking LCM, nothing else. Okay, then second equation is this x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. Again we have taken LCM, then we have converted 3x minus y is equals to 9. So this is what we are doing only for our comfort purpose only, nothing else. And when you look at this first and second equation, you can clearly see that here 3x and here 3x. So our elimination job is very easy. Just by subtracting one equation from other, we can eliminate this x term. So we are taking now equation 1, and from that we are going to subtract equation 2. This is equation 2, and when you are subtracting you have to change the symbols. So now when you subtract, 3x minus 3x gets cancelled, and we will be having 5y minus 5y is equals to minus 15. So the value of y is equal to minus 3. Now if you substitute this y is equals to minus 3 in any of these equations, you will get the value of x. So let us substitute this y is equals to minus 3 in equation 1. So you will get x is equals to 2 after simplification. Finally, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3 are the solutions of given pair of linear equations. Hope you got good clarity on the problem which we have discussed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.